Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we will start the notes from page 10. Okay, page 10. So make sure you take notes from page 10. Okay, so today we start from 1.1.1. Okay, this is called function. Okay, function. Okay, function. So now make it larger. It's function. Page 10. Page 10. Okay, so what is function? So now, ladies and gentlemen, I give you a hint. Give you an example. Okay. Example 1. Y equal x plus 2. Okay. And now let's see. We can make a table. We can make a table for x and y. For x and y. X and y. So, ladies and gentlemen, when x equal to 0, and y will equal to 2. Okay? And now let's make when x equal to 1, y equal to 3. I believe everyone knows this, right? This is so easy. And now, ladies and gentlemen, now let's just move to example 2. Now I will just change y to this. Okay? Y I will change to f of x equal x plus 2. Now I want to use highlighter. This is the only thing we change. From y, I know I need to use highlighter. Y of x. That's the only thing that we change. And now we can call this is function. This is function of x. Okay, now let's write a name. This is function of x. And now we can make a table for it, and you will see it's exact same. And we still have x. Okay, we still do x. And when I use rate, I want you to use rate. Okay, x. And now I call this f of x. You got it? Is that easy? So now, ladies and gentlemen, again, when x equals 0, what is f of x? That will be 2. Same with this, right? But now I just change it. So now let's see. So when x equal to 1, f of x equal to 3. That's it. Okay? So the function means, so you may think you may use f or y instead of x, and same thing. So this is about the function. Okay, so now let's try more function. Okay, let's try more function. Example 3. See if this function works for your phone. See if the following function works in your phone. Now let's see if this is a good phone or not. Okay, now the function is this. The function is f of x equal x. Okay, so now let's see if this is function good. Okay, so now I make a table x and f of x. F of x. Okay, now let's see. When x equals 0, what is f of x? Equals 0. You get it? Because now f of x equal x. How about this? When x equal to 1, f of x equal to 1. Do you think this is a good form? Again, what does it mean? I can say x is the input. Now please use a red pen. This is input. Okay? And f of x, now I want to use blue. This is output. So what does it mean? In your phone, if you input 0 and output is 0. And if you input 1, the output is 1. Is this a good phone? Yes, it is. Yes, this is a good phone. Yes. It is the good phone. Okay? Now, let's see one more choice. One more question. Example 4. Example 4. Now, I just change based on example 3. Based on example 3. But now, the function is f of x equal to x. Now let's see if this is a good phone. So again, make a table. Okay, I want you to use a ruler. Okay, and f of x. Again, x is the input. Okay, x is the input, and f of x is the output. So now let's see. When x equals 0, okay, ladies and gentlemen, when x equals 0, what is f of x? 0 times 2 still equal 0. How about x equal 1? When x equal to 1, 1 times 2 equal 2, then f of x equal to 2. What does it mean? Now let's try one more time. One more step. When x equal to 2, the output is 4. F of is this a good phone? Think about it. If your phone, you input 2 here, and the output is 4. Do you like the phone? No, something wrong, right? Here, if you input 1 here, but output is 2, no, this is not a good phone. So, no, this is not a good phone. It is not a good phone. Okay, so this is about the function. So basically, remember the input and output. Okay, and here again, x is the input, y is the output. Okay, so please now I want you to highlight this. Remember input, which is x. Output is f of x. You get it? Okay, so now I give you the work assignment. Okay, assignment. And it's due tomorrow. Assignment. So I want you to do it now in class. So in page 5, number 2. Okay? And also page 7. Okay? Number 4. Okay, do in scratch paper and give to me tomorrow. Okay? Again, do in scratch paper and give to me tomorrow. Due tomorrow. For both the question. Okay? Good luck.